Hello everyone. In this session, I want to discuss the important thing. So here I am going to give the clear picture of each chapter. So each chapter has its own weightage. Okay, you should not skip any chapter in your computer science syllabus. Okay, so totally there are 12 chapters, and each chapter has its own weightage. Okay, so we'll see the marks distribution of each chapter along with the important questions to be covered. Okay, so here we have a first chapter, that is typical configuration of a computer. Okay, so totally this chapter is for 8 marks. So you will be getting 1 marks 1 question, 2 marks 1 question, and 5 marks 1 question. Okay na? Then what are the important topics to be covered? So first you have to learn what is motherboard. That is very important. Okay, so basic definition of a motherboard, what it is also known as. Okay, that is PCB board. And what are the characteristics of the motherboard, and what are the types of motherboard, along with what are the components. Okay, in components you have to learn each component's specification and its working condition. Okay, for example, ports, in the sense what is ports, how many ports are there, and why we require ports, what are the utility or usage of these ports, that and all you have to learn. Okay, so that is regarding motherboard. What we have to learn: definition, its characteristics and types of motherboard, and components of a motherboard. Okay, so next is very important, cache memory. Okay, so in this you have to learn what are the types of cache memory. There are 3 types or 3 levels: L1, L2 and L3. There you have to explain its level and where it resides in between, that you have to explain. Along with the diagram you have to explain the cache memory. Okay, and power supply, SMPS and UPS. Then what is UPS, what are the types of UPS? Now there are the types: online and offline. Offline is also known as what? Standby mode UPS. Okay, so that you have to learn. So totally 8 marks, 1 marks 1 question, 2 marks 1 question, and 5 marks 1 question. Motherboard, its definition, characters, types and components. In cache memory, its types and diagram. Okay, and in power supply, SMPS, UPS. Okay, so this is regarding chapter 1. Then now we'll see chapter 2, that is what? Boolean algebra. Okay, totally this chapter is for 10 marks. So you are going to get 2 marks 1 question, 3 marks 1 question, and 5 marks 1 question. Okay, so in this what are the important concepts to be covered? So logical operators. What are the logical operators? Not, and or. Okay, in this you have to learn its basic syntax, that is truth table along with a symbol. Okay, so and principle of duality, that you have to learn, and all the basic theorems. Okay, complementary law, associative law. There are totally 11 theorems are there, that you have to learn. That is very important for either 3 marks or 2 marks question. Okay, and for that, gate representation is not required. You just have to state, that means you have to define what is this theorem is for. After that you have to prove the conditions, then truth table is enough for the basic theorems. Okay, and you have to learn more definitions, like what is mean term, what is max term, what is SOP, that is sum of products. POS is nothing but product of sum, and what is tautology, and what is fallacy. Okay, so tautology is related to the resultant is always equal to 1, and fallacy is the resultant is always equal to what? 0. Okay, and here conversion of boolean expression into canonical form, and you have simplification using what? K maps. K map in the 1 question bande barutte, 5 marks ke 1 question bande barutte K map in the, so be prepared for that. Okay na? So this is all regarding boolean algebra, that is chapter 2. Okay, so now we'll see the chapter 3, that is what? Logic gates. In this you will be getting total 6 marks. 1 marks 1 question will be there, and 5 marks 1 question will be there. Okay, so logic gates ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಆಗಿ 1 question 5 marks ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್, that is not and or using either NAND gate or NOR gate. This is a complete ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ. ಬಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಓದಬೇಕು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಗೇಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿರೈವ್ಡ್ ಗೇಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಗೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ known as inverter, not gate. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ದ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್. Okay, and not gate, or gate, and gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. So all these gate must you have to specify by using its logic symbol. You have to write its notation, and then truth table along with working condition. That and all you have to learn. Okay, and realization of basic gates, very very important question. So you can expect this question in your examination, because board ಇಂದ 2 ಪೇಪರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2ರಲ್ಲೂ ಈ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇದೆ, ಆಯಿತಾ. ಸೊ ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ and or using what? NAND gate and NOR gate. That you must be prepared for that. Okay, so this is regarding this session. So in coming session I am going to take next 3 chapters and I will be discussing on that. Okay, thank you. Read well all the important question and be prepared for your examination. You can score more than 95 in computer science if you are prepared for all these important questions. Then the questions will be very very easy. You can face it easily. Okay, so be prepared and prepare well. Thank you for watching this video. Read well.